Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to calculate the days between dates in Salesforce. So let's proceed first to see the formula from number of days between dates. So in Salesforce, there are number of scenarios where we need to get the number of days between dates. So for this, we need to find the difference between two dates value in a number format by subtracting one from another, and the syntax for this is visible on your screen. Either you have to subtract the end date from the start date, or you have to use the date value function to get the end date value and the start date value and subtract it as per your choice. So now let's proceed and see how to get the number of days between two dates in Salesforce. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So if you are not in the Lightning one, then you firstly switch to the Lightning edition, then move ahead. And if you are already on the Lightning edition, so you can continue with your work. So for this, I click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page. Then I click on the object manager tab that is present on the navbar, and it will redirect us to the object list page, and from here all the object list I select the object, and here I want to select the order object, so I enter the order in the search box and then I click on the order object, and it will redirect us to the order object page. Then I select the fields and relationship and it will redirect us to the fields and relationship page. Now I click on the new button because I want to create new field, and here we get the number of days, we get the number of days between the dates. So here I click on the new button and then you can see it will redirect us to the choose the field type, and here I select the formula field type and then click on the next button, and it will redirect us to the next step. Here I enter the field label as a delivery days and then click on the field name which is automatically field, and then scroll down. Here you can see there is a formula return type, and here I select the formula return type as a number because here we calculate the number of days between the dates. So then click on the next button and here enter the formula. For entering the formula, I click on the insert field and then firstly select the expected delivery date and then click on the insert, then select the operator as subtract, and then again insert the field that is the effective date. So search the effective date, here is the field, then click on the insert, and here you can see that 2 days, that is the expected delivery date, subtract the effective date, and so basically this effective date is a order start date. So here we are finding the number of days between the expected date, delivery date and the order date by subtract the effective date from the expected delivery date. So I enter the formula. Now check this syntax, it is correct or not. So for this I click on the check syntax and then scroll down. Here you can see no syntax error is found, and then we can also enter the description and the help text if we want, otherwise leave it as it is, and we can also handling the blank field if we want, and then click on the next button and it will redirect us to the next tab that is establish the field level security, and then click on the visible checkbox. This visible checkbox can visibly to all the profiles, so that's why I click on the visible checkbox, and the field level security is visible to all the profiles, and then click on the next button, and it will move to the last tab that is add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts. And to change the location of this field on the page, you will need to customize the page layout. And here you can see the page layout order layout is added to the field. When finished, click on the save and new to create more custom field, or click on the save if you are done. I click on the save button and you can see our field is created. Now it's time to check whether it's working or not. So for this I click on the app launcher and then enter the order and then click on the orders, and it will redirect us to the order page, record page, and here I click on the drop down arrow and click on the all orders. There is a no order, so I click on the new one and here I click on the new button and the new order dialog box is open. So firstly select the account name, start date, and then order type if you want, otherwise leave it as it is, and then enter the status. And here you can see there is an expected delivery date is present, and here you can enter the expected delivery date as 29 and then enter the effective date as a 19 and then click on the save button. The error is occur. Please review the following field contract number. Here fill the contract number and then click on the save button. Then other error is order start date. Here the error is occur that the start date cannot be earlier than the contract date. So enter the start date according to the contract date, and here I enter this start date and then click on the save button. Our order was created. Then click on the details and here you can see the expected delivery date is this and the effective date is this and the delivery days is 10, because our formula is the expected delivery date subtracted from the effective date. So the delivery days is sum of these two and I get this delivery date. So with this we have learned how to calculate the days between dates in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.